1, 2, 3. Hey everybody, I'm Chris, and today we're going to talk about how to play that section, that arpeggio, the triplet arpeggio section in Malagueña. All right, so hopefully you've watched past lessons, particularly for this lesson, Malagueña Part 1, okay? So I talk about different things, different technical things that you might want to check that out. Malagueña Part 1, I'm going to try to figure out how to put like a fancy thing maybe over here, or, you know, like that you can click on with a link. But regardless, I'll put the link underneath in the description. So you'll definitely have it there. If I can figure out the other stuff, we'll figure that out, all right? So what we're going to do is we're going to be using two chords, the E major and A minor. The reason I have you go back to that other lesson is to figure out how to do the fingering part, the fret hand fingering part, okay? What we're going to focus on here today is the actual arpeggio itself. So make sure to hang on until the very end, because I'm going to give a couple of bonus tips, okay? Practice tips. Cool. All right, so let's get to this. We're going to have the thumb doing a rest stroke, okay? So rest stroke means it follows through to the next string, okay? And this is going to be, the movement is going to be generated from this joint, okay? Next, we're going to have these two fingers doing a free stroke, and they're going to be on the top two strings, okay? Index and middle right here, okay? But we're actually going to do what's called a descending arpeggio because we're descending in pitch, okay? So let's just do that. We're going to go 6th string, open 1st string, open 2nd string. I would like right now, put those two fingers on those two strings, okay? So your thumb's placed, these two fingers are placed. We're going to play thumb, rest stroke. These two fingers, you're going to play your middle finger, and then your index finger. Now these are going to be pulling up towards your palm, okay? Just try that a few times. And if you want to say triplet, 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 okay? Your other fingers should be pretty relaxed. They're part of it. They're going to move what is called sympathetic movement. They're going to move along with those other fingers. Let them, just don't have them like sticking out straight or clenching in like this, okay? The claw, you don't want that, okay? You want them to be relaxed. Triplet, 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 triplet. All right? So once you get that pattern down, then we're going to have to apply it, okay? So you have your E major and A minor. So this is why in previous lessons I had the performance fingering, okay? So go back to do that, but we're going to be doing this. 0, 4, and then 2 on the 5th string. 0, 4, 2, twice. Then we have the A minor. You're going to go, now all of a sudden you have this C on the 2nd string. Now we're going to go C, the 3rd fret, 2nd fret, open. So C, B, A, and then we're going to go G, and you're going to reach down here with your 2nd finger to that low F. And then you're going to go back to the E major. So that second melody is A, C, B, A, G, F, E. Okay, so we're going to start over twice. Then you have the A minor, C, B, A, G, F, start over. All right, so that's it. You have this descending arpeggio, you have the melody line with your thumb, and then you have that descending arpeggio. All right, so I want to make sure to ask you to subscribe, hit the notification bell thing, bing. Yeah, hit that so you get notified of next lesson coming up. I'm doing my best to get at least a weekly lesson out for you. Also, in the comments below, please consider asking questions. I'm happy to get back to you if you have any speed bumps, any frustrations with the guitar, anything that I'm showing you, or guitar in general. If you have requests, let me know so I can put that in the list to try to address those questions for you. All right, so that's it. I did promise a couple of bonus practice tips, okay? So we did a descending arpeggio. The first practice tip is going to be do an ascending arpeggio. So now it's the same thing, but you're going to go thumb, index, middle, okay? So I really like this. The problem with this one is that you play that A minor, and now this C comes up sooner in the work. When you go here, when you do the descending, you see that C is the second note that I play. Well, it's the third note, but the second note of these two. So that gives you a little bit more time for that transition. With the ascending, you have to get that C down right away. Okay, so just be aware of that. The next tip would be to then do the same work, but now with your middle finger and your ring finger. So now we'll do the descending arpeggio. So that's descending, ascending, work. There we go. That was a little painful for me. Anyway, so that's obviously one that I got to work on. So I'm going to do that, and hopefully you will too. So now you have a few bonus exercises to work on with that really cool melody that you can just play all the live long day and never get tired of. So again, I encourage you to hit the subscribe button, the notification button, and leave any questions, comments, or requests down below. I super appreciate you tuning in. My name is Chris. It was an honor to be your tour guide, and I look forward to seeing you again real soon. Have a great day. Enjoy the guitar work. Bye-bye.